Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Chat, I know it's on, chat. I know it's on. I know it's on. Dude, come on. Give me some credit, please. Dude, man. Chill out, dude, man. Had to finish my breakfast there, smoothie. I love the cap, the All Saints cap. Yeah, I really like All Saints as a brand. I really like All Saints. So chat, we're back. It's Friday. We're not quite ready for the big streams yet. The website, it's finished today. It's finished today. It's launching today, hopefully. So chat, there's a little bit of a giveaway happening right now. It's a little bit of a giveaway. I wanted to come on stream to give some more money away. No, but seriously, there's a little bit of a giveaway happening here. Hey Cotton, hey, what's going on? Thought we're going to Twitch. Twitch is dying, dude. Twitch is done as a platform. It's like Twitch is gone pretty much. I think we'll be staying on YouTube. Twitch is like pretty much dead. Where'd I learn this type of trading? Self-taught, dude. Transfer YouTube courses to the new website. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, dude? What are you even saying? Okay, chat, we're gonna do a little bit of a thing here, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how to access a giveaway that I'm doing right now. Okay. Chat. I want you to go into your account. Click your assets button right here. I'm going to show this live on stream. Click your assets button here. Go to your account. Go to, wait, let me see, make sure we have a lot of people in here because this giveaway is for like everybody. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're chilling. Can you turn up the volume? My song playing? I know, I love this song. Okay, you're going to go to assets, chat. I'm doing giveaways. Like I told you guys, every stream I'm pretty much doing giveaways. We'll talk about Twitch after. Every single stream I'm pretty much doing giveaways. I want you to click your assets button and I want you to click coupon. In there, you'll have like a free 20 USDT from Cotton Candy TA, your favorite. This is just for using the Bitget link. I'm going to constantly be doing this for people. All you have to do is click claim. Bang, done. Just like that, you just made yourself 20 bones. That's all you have to do. So there's going to be some of you, it's random drop between certain dates, and I'm going to continuously do this. You're just going to go in here, you're just going to go click assets, click coupon, take your free money. Dip your hand into that pile of gold and reach out. And I'm going to continue to do these just for using the Bitget link. I'm just going to continue funneling it. The more we're trading, the more I can give back to you guys and the more we're giving away. So like I said before, we're just starting off small to get everybody onboarded into the system. But you're going to have 20 free bones in your account. And I'm going to do this many times. We're going to be doing giveaways like crazy to celebrate all the new stuff that's happening and coming with this like Bitget thing that I'm doing. So Some of you will have 10, some of you will have 20. You're just going to have random amounts of money in your account. So just go. Some days you might have $1,000 in there. It just depends. There might be like lucky winners and all of a sudden you have $1,000 in your account. So make sure you're playing the goddamn game. Sign up with a link. Get on your fucking account, dude, because I take the money that I make for commissions on the BitGet link and I funnel a lot of it back into the community. I'm just giving it back to the community. So make sure you have the link. Make sure you've signed up, dude, because it's dude and dudettes, because it's just free money. It's just free money I'm giving out to people. And it's all because we're able to like hit big trading volume numbers. I'm able to just like give it back to the community. This is the site. It's almost done. All the hard work is done. We have the last finishing touches. This will be launching today. You don't see that coupon means you weren't lucky enough. Better luck next time, muchacho. That 20 was from you. Thanks a lot. You're welcome, dude. No, it's just 20 USDT, man. It's just 20 USDT, Strawberry. It's not, there's like no strings attached. It's just 20 USDT. You just have to go trade with it. That's it. Like, just go take some trades with it. I think it expires if you don't use it in the first like 7 days or something like that. Something wrong. Not everybody's going to get it. Not everybody gets it. It's random. You have to be trading on your account. You have to have the BitGet account and you have to be trading. You have to be trading on it. So if you're not trading, because then everybody could just make zombie accounts and take free money, right? Like, you have to be trading. Otherwise, it's like people could just make like 1,000 accounts and then they just take all the money from everybody else. And then you just have zombie accounts and scammers just like taking all the money. You know what I mean? Like, so you have to just like, you have to have an active account. You can't just be zombie accounting, because then like nobody, it wouldn't be fair, because then it would just be like all the scammers taking the money, right? Trading with big amount? It doesn't have to be a big amount. It doesn't have to be a big amount, but the cool thing is I can get to give that away to the community, right? Like, we're building that community portal, that community website. We've already hit this goal for the month, by the way. So like, we've already hit this goal. So we're already going to be giving away 2,000 BGB, which is a decent amount. I think it's like $500. So like on Monday or whenever I stream, we've already hit this goal, and I'm pretty sure we're going to hit this one soon too. So we are going to be doing those bigger giveaways too, right? Got $10. Thanks, Cotton. Very kind of you. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. All that money that I get to make on the referral link, it's cool because I get to funnel it back into the community. People are like, Cotton, you're making, money doing this. Yeah, but I give it back to the community, so shut up. You know what I mean? It's just like, what are you talking about, dude? Thanks, Cotton and BitGet. You're welcome. Yeah, it looks like everybody's like getting 10 and 20 bucks. Yeah. Have you played poker? I have played poker. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna catch up on chat, and then I'm gonna do some charting. We've got a bit of a busy schedule next week, so I'm gonna talk about my schedule next week. So we've got a bit of a busy schedule. Sorry, excuse me, chat. I had to stretch. We got a bit of a busy schedule next week. Here's the thing about next week is I've got my tattoo appointment next week, and it's like a 10-hour tattoo. They're saying it might even last up to 14 hours, so it's going to be a grueling day, and that is on Tuesday. So I'm going to be knocked out of commission for like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I believe my new car comes on Thursday as well. So like I'm going to be recovering, and then I have my next session booked. So I have a 14-hour on the 27th, and then I believe it's on the 1st after that is like another 8-hour session. So I've got like major work being done. I've got some pretty major work being done. So next week I'm going to be streaming Monday. So Monday is going to be the big stream. So the whole like this, I'm probably going to be starting very early in the morning. I'm going to be setting my alarm clock. I'm going to be getting up very early, doing my morning routine, getting ready for trading. I'll probably be streaming starting 7, something like that, maybe 7 a.m. So that's when the big streams are going to start. How'd everybody like this crazy Bitcoin action that happened? Okay, I'm going to read chat, and then I'm going to get into some charting here. So I'm going to catch up on chat. Just got to do something on my phone real quick here. Yeah, so today's going to be short, right? Obviously, today's going to be short. It was kind of just like a surprise stream. Sosa, thank you, man, for the membership, dude. Thank you so much. The last airbender, the last trade vendor. Yeah, that's okay. How about this action on Bitcoin? How crazy was that from our last stream? So like we hit our 4 hour, right? Like we hit the 4 hour, and then we I believe we moved up to the reverse level, right? Like we just moved up to the reverse level, laddered the move. We can even just delete that. That's fine. Um, in Discord, we nailed this bottom too. Just FYI, we nailed this bottom too. We got this one in Discord. I was trading with the boys and the girls, and we called that one out too. So that was good. I hope people took that. I mean, I exited way too soon. I'm not gonna lie. I exited this trade way too soon. Like I was here and I took something like 60 or 70% on it. Something silly. I entered like 140 on BitGet because I kind of had a feeling it was going to get front run like crazy. And then I just exited a few minutes later and I was like, oh, free 60, 70%. Next level, because I was going to play that next level, but it never happened. But anyway, at least there's some free money there. That was kind of hype. But we did nail that one. So that was pretty cool. And now we're here. Now we're here in Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin went absolutely crazy. Bitcoin popped off. You know, right now it's one level that can really hold this thing. Like you've got, you know, the first 1 minute level here that's hit and pass through. Next 1 minute level obviously is just going to be right here. Like this is very straightforward, right, chat? Like this is very straightforward. It's untested. It's gonna ladder the move. You know, you can get into stuff like this, and you know all this stuff over here might hold it. And technically this should hold it because you do have this backside right here, and this backside did prop the move up, and this laddered the backside. So technically you should be entering this 1 minute here, but I think I'm just going to reduce risk a little bit and go for this down here. I'm hoping this doesn't just straight bounce the move. Like obviously it's hit pretty perfectly. And the whole idea behind that, right, is that like you've had this move here, which is your backside here, tested, back tested, ladders the backside here, right here. Yeah, it's a decent spot to take. Like if it holds for 2 or 3 minutes, it's okay. But I'm gonna reduce the risk and just take it down here. I'm not gonna take the higher trade. If so be it, this hold it, then fine. But like, oh, c0tt0. 2 or a little bit of both. Like the thing between system 1 and system 2, right, is one is an emotional core and one is a logical core. So the thing about system 1 and system 2 here, let's turn c0tt0 down for a second. I can talk about system 1 and system 2. So system 1 and system 2, for people who don't know, is your mind and the way it interprets information. So system 1 is your emotional core and system 2 is your logical core. So system 1 obviously takes a steering wheel, and everything that happens in life, you have an emotional reaction, whether it's happiness or sadness. It's just weight on the mind, right? Like it's just mental weight, and you only have so much. You know what? I want to listen to something else. Listen to one of my favorite songs. Listen to one of my favorite songs right now. So because you just swipe. So in a 10-minute session, you're exposed to like 40, 50 creators. So discoverability is good on TikTok. On Instagram, the same thing. You go and you look at your page and there's like a whole bunch of pictures on a grid profile. And in like a 2-minute session, you're exposed to like 10, 20, 30 creators. Same with YouTube. You go on YouTube and you see a list of thumbnails, right? Like an ascending list of thumbnails. So again, the same thing. You can spend 10 minutes on YouTube, scrub through thumbnails, and you're exposed to like 100 creators, right? With Twitch, you go on twitch.com or twitch.tv. There's one creator there. If you really have a big passion for it, like I can speak to my own path a little bit here. So in my own path, for example, I'm gonna put some different music on here. For my own path, for example, like I was supposed to be an architect, right? Like I went to university for 11 years. I studied my master's in architecture. Architecture is a very artistic field. Like With architecture, you think of something in your mind, you think of like a building, and then it's up to you to create that into reality. So it's very artistic. It's very artistic. Like you just kind of like think of things, and then all of a sudden you create them, right? So yeah, I mean, architecture is very, very creative. And for me, like, give me the way I see the charts is that every single chart, like, people who are creative do very well at day trading, because like, this is your canvas, right? Like, this is like, before you create a Mona Lisa, it's just like a blank canvas, and it's up to you to put that data on the screen and sell your artwork. Basically, that's the way I've always seen it, right? Like, you have this artwork, everything that you put on your screen is like this form of art, right? And we use data to communicate our art. So like, for us, for day traders, you know, give me a very artistic, give me a banker. I can't, like, of course I could turn them into a professional, but it's a lot harder. Give me a struggling guitar player who lives on the street, I'll turn them into pros like that, because there's a certain layer of this thing where there's like an artistic part of the mind that has to be able to create and see. And then if you're smart and you can use that, understand that data and the science, and then obviously that helps if you're really intelligent. If you're really smart and intelligent, then obviously you can take that artwork and you can transform that with the power of data mixed with artwork. So like, for me, being an artist, like, day trading is such a perfect fit for somebody who's very artistic, but also a very, very good fit for people who are intelligent as well. So being intelligent and being able to see past, right? Like having what we call vision of the mind. So vision of the mind is when you can see different outcomes, right? So having vision is a huge beneficial quality. So vision is one of the biggest ones. And then obviously being artistic and intelligent, those are kind of like those are the big ones. Those are the big ones that, you know, make people really good in trading. So I mean, if you're going to some college for something that's more in like arts field, vision, thinking with your mind, creating different possibilities, you'll probably do very well in day trading. Have you played poker? Yeah, I used to be a pro poker player. First time catching stream. Question, sir, how do you know which hold ladders to move in a series of untested holds in a situation where you pick the hold to get stopped out? Okay, Abdullah, you know, what I like to do here in that situation is I always like to go highest time frame and find combination levels, right? Like, obviously this is a combination on the 1 hour here. It's a combination on the 1 hour. And then if I'm scrubbing down through time frames, I can see like, okay, sorry, let me just put that back here to blue, right? So that's your 1 hour level blue. And then obviously I can see like, okay, it's got a combo level here on the 15. So you've got a 1 hour and a 15 being tested at the same time as a body. And then, so that's a combo to the 15. And you also have combo polarity back here too. So like, as you scrub down in time frames, then you can see like, oh, look, you've got an origin level, which was polarity on the move, and that broke the move up. So this is what should hold it. So then when you go back to your hourly level, you've got kind of like a combination between what would be an hourly level right here mixed into that 15-minute, mixed into this combination level. So it's kind of that perfect balance between hitting all levels at the same time. Like, you hit the hourly, you hit the 15, you hit the combo level, you hit the 5-minute backsides, you're hitting everything, but you're not being so greedy that you're saying like, I'm just going to go for this level. Because obviously for the $20 difference, like, are you really going to hit the lowest part of the move for a $20 difference, or are you going to hit the 5 levels that are stacked against each other? So whenever you're thinking of untested levels, always start with the highest time frame down. Always start with the highest time frame and move down through your levels to find those combination spots where it makes a lot of sense, right? And then, you know, a big part of that is then, you know, intellectually being able to decipher that data, right? Good morning, my Elon Musk. Hey, morning, dude. What's up, man? You know, at this point in the move, like, why I would pick this level is because it's just the deepest part of the move that comboed off polarity. So this being polarity down here, I don't really think we're going to hit again. I do want to ladder this move. Like, I do want to create that succession in the move where it's laddering. I'm going to put my music back on. Hold on a second, chat. Chill out. Send a golden, let's send some Drake. So like, this has hit polarity already. You've laddered the move off the 1, the greediest part. Next, you have an untested greedy part. So you really just want to create that ladder. And what that's going to do for you is it's going to start creating the bigger time frame. It's going to start creating the bigger time frame hold level or trends, right? Like here, maybe you can create a 4 hour in the future here off of this. So we've got a long way. So like, the first thing we know about this move is that we've got a long way to go, right? Like we have a lot of time that we need to hold this today. So don't expect like an instant pump off of the move. You have no 1 hour trend. You have nothing here. You have possibly here to here, which is your interior 15. So we can mark this, right? Interior 15. Beyond that, I don't think you really have too much here. Like, so maybe you do want to be going for this 1 minute level here because it is kind of coordinating everything back. Reverse this as a 3. Actually, I think you might want to go for this again. Yeah, I think you actually want to go. I think you want to go greedier in this move. Now that I look at it, because you want to like hold trend, but you want to deep dive trend. This isn't going to hit trend, so don't expect it to stop here. Play this level, which looks like it's also, yeah, but it's only the reverse 3, so it's kind of shitty. So you got the origin there, reverse 5 here, which is there. Hopefully this holds for a little bit and it makes this level like you come out and test around here. That makes it just nice and clean and easy. Because otherwise then you have to play the reverse, which is a little weird. L1, GC1, here we go. Looks like it's just held polarity. Like, it looks like gold just rejected, straight up rejected polarity. I don't have anything else here. I don't have anything charted on gold. Obviously, this point of gold, you're hitting this origin here, right? Like, origin daily here, which means you need to ladder off this range, polarity backside, somewhere in here. So you're going to be looking somewhere, like start here, right? Like start here and work down. going to be releasing a mentorship video. So you are really looking more for like this 92 entry here, like down here, right? You're just wanting it to go past trend a little bit, and hopefully you can spike that entry. No idea what the tickers are, Coffee? I can help you with that, man. Like, I can put that up on stream next week. I plan to have a full screen stream next week. Damn, so we did miss the trade. It was this level here. It was the 1 minute. Like fine, it's like the 1 minute back ended against I think this like Doesn't mean it can't hold, but you know, like sure, 4 hour to 4 hour maybe in the future, like you don't have anything else, like everything else is an accumulation candle here. So I mean, I'd be quiet. Gonna be in chart raiders someday. Yeah, chart raiders is coming back. Besides the music restriction, what's so bad about YouTube streaming? They just don't have a lot of creator features. Damn, dude, I missed my trade by like a few dollars. GB giveaway. This is the big one. This is the one we need to aim for as a group. Okay. This ups our discount to 25%. I'll be launching this website today so people can track this, right? We have 500 million. At 500 million, one person gets their account doubled. Oopsies. I clicked off it. Sorry. At 500 million, one person gets their account doubled. We're doing a 10K BGB giveaway and we're doing 10 trading keyboards. That 10 trading keyboards is like 2K plus. That's a huge giveaway. And then obviously if we get 750 million, this is like Emerald tier, 3 people will get their accounts doubled. That's nuts, dude. That one is crazy. And 20K BGB. So this is crazy. We already hit this. We're probably doing this one on Monday. I have to figure out when I'm doing it. And then over here, you'll see it. There's like a little daily challenge. Every time we hit 10 million a day, we do a red envelope. So yeah, whenever we hit 10 million a day, we're going to do a red envelope. But I think we're going to be hitting this every day. So I'm pretty excited for that. Yeah, we just pulling off trend right now. Stream schedule accurate now? No. Low key flex. Shut up, dude. I'm stretching. What do you want from me, man? That trendo. Yep. Go in Discord, and there's somebody you can message in Discord under our subsection called yeah, I really think that 360 is the only problem with 360 is you do have like a little bit of a range developed here, but I just don't think it's gonna hold. Like, I don't know, maybe you can go back test this again. Maybe you can back test this 1604. So let's talk about that scenario for a second. So what if we go and we back test this trend and it ladders just slightly above this? Is that a possibility? Can we hit trend ladder slightly above it, or do we just break the move now? Like, can we maybe deep dive this? Maybe we can set that order again. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I just blew up my account. Why 100x long Bitcoin 50-day EMA fib? Well, never use EMAs, never use Fibonacci. Buy and sell indicator. Don't use indicators, dude. As simple as that. Just don't use indicators. I stick to 100x Superman. Tokenomics for BGB must be like cotton red envelopes. long-term move up. If you're scalp trading this, that's fine. Like you could have taken entry on trend, you could have taken a short, and you could just be exiting it right now to just scalp the fee rebate, right? Like also 45% is pretty decent. But to try to do like a hands-off long position here, I don't think so. Maybe you could justify this right here for trend, but you also want to ladder this part of the move if you want to move up. So I don't know, you don't have to ladder this, I suppose. Start moving up in time frame and you can say like, okay, well, hit this, right? Like hit here. Like that's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. That trend test, and then it, you know, rejects back. So you just whatever this can go to, there's that part of the move. Now let's see if it can bounce. I took my order off here because I do want to aim for 360, but that is where you would be looking, right? Like that's the move. Let it go back over trend, let it develop above this, and you're good. So if you guys took this trade, congrats. I didn't take it. I took my order off the book. Let me confirm that I don't have an order there. I don't have an order there. I'm looking more for 360, but this is exactly what you would have wanted to be aiming for, right? At least it ladders this architecture, can hold above this trend. This move will hold it, and then it can move up and break, you know, back up into these higher ranges. So if you took this, be careful, watch your trade. I'm waiting for 360, but this can bounce it. I didn't take this trade though. I want to see it go higher in the move. You could go for this 3 as well, but this can hold it though. This can hold it. Cotton, will I get $20 if I just signed up? You got to check your account, man. Let's see that trunk before you go down. Oh my god, dude, shut up. Shut up, Ben. Like, what, dude? What are you on about, man? Like, see, I would be getting out of this trade right now if that just ripped back up to that. I would have been out if I was in. I just lost 85,000. The Elliott wave structure didn't work. Supposed to be the best indicator ever. What can you do, man? Life's tough. Life's tough. Brains are hard. Maybe you can target this 3. I don't know. Again, if I was in this trade, I would be out right there. What's happening, everyone? What's up, Cotton? Hey, what's up, Warren? He's just trolling people's trade. I'm pretty sure he didn't lose 85K. He's just trolling. Yeah, I would not be touching this part of the move. I'm looking more down for the longer confirmation. You sign up for the link in description, right? Yep. Just made a 75% trade of you. Thank you. I will get feedback tomorrow. Yep. You're welcome, dude. Enjoy the money. Should we do a red envelope? Everybody want to do a red envelope? Everybody keeps asking. You guys really want to do a red envelope, huh? Okay, screw it. We'll do a red envelope. Let me put money in my account here. I got to set it up. I could just do USDT. You know what? Screw it. I'll do my red envelope USDT. Yeah, I'm going to do this USDT. Hold on. We're going to do an envelope drop. You guys like that thumbnail, the level bender? I'm going to do a little red envelope for the community right now. Oh, 3 minute coming up. Is it going to hit? I'm going to miss the big trade because I'm doing the red envelope because of you guys. I swear. This one, we're going to do 60 people. We're going to do... Can I do USDT? Let me check. I can. Okay, good. We're doing USDT. How much should I do? How about we do like 300 USDT? 300 USDT for the community. What do we think? Yeah? Good? Okay, let's do it. We'll do Here's how it works. I'm going to explain this to people. You have to be registered on my link to be a part of this. If you're not registered on my link, too bad, so sad, sorry. You have to have a BitGet account and you have to be actively trading. The last time we did this, one person won most of it. And we'll do 10 BGB. We'll throw $1 worth of BGB in there. How about that? Okay, let me set this up. Here's what you're gonna do. Hold on. I'm setting it up right now. Hang tight. Hang tight. I'm setting it up right now. I'm gonna bring up. Take your phone. Okay. I'm gonna show a little tutorial video on this. Okay. This is what you have to do. You have to take your phone and you have to scan the code that's gonna come up on the screen. When you scan the code on the screen, it's gonna give you a randomized amount. Okay. We're gonna let this play one more time. It's gonna give you a randomized amount. Okay. So you're gonna be on, this is mobile only. You have to be doing it on your mobile because that's how you have to scan it, right? There is no way to do it on desktop. Go on your account, you click that little tiny, it's like at the very top, you see up there at the top beside the envelope with the notifications on it, there's like a little